list of San Diegans to tee it up at the Farmers Insurance Open over the years is an impressive one. And while Phil Mickelson receives most of the attention, Scripps grad and former Aztec Xander Schauffele is starting to turn heads. And as ABC 10 News reporter Steve Smith tells us, his future looks bright.
Xander Schauffele knows the ins and outs at Torrey Pines Golf Course.
This was my home course in high school, and it's always nice to be out here in La Jolla, or near La Jolla, I should say, and it's a very special place for me.
And while he calls Torrey a very special place, he struggled in 5 career starts at the Farmers, missing the cut 4 times.
For whatever reason, people always say it's hard to play at home, and I'm going to try and, like everything else, make it a positive, and maybe this is sort of the kickstart I need, or a kick in the head I need to sort of have no one there, no distractions. And, like I said, I haven't had much success here, and I'm looking forward to changing that.
Now, aside from the Farmers Insurance Open, Schauffele has been spectacular since joining the tour 5 years ago. He has 4 career tour wins. He was the Rookie of the Year in 2017. And this season, he already has 4 top 10 finishes.
I achieved some of the goals on paper in terms of sort of nitty-gritty statistical goals, but it's tricky. The better you play, the higher expectations go, and winning is the ultimate goal.
Now this week should be extra fun as Xander will be paired with Phil Mickelson in the first 2 rounds. Well, they've been playing a lot of golf together locally of late.
Fortunately for me, he wasn't in peak performance when we did play. So I was able to sort of, take him on a few times, but he's Phil the thrill. It's always a real treat for me to play with him.
At Torrey Pines, Steve Smith, ABC 10 News.